We're going to start a new project by opening the plus button. From here, we're going to select Audio Recorder. In Audio Recorder, we're going to select the More Sounds and select a narrator voice. Now that we're ready to start a project, we're going to adjust a couple of settings. We want to turn off the metronome in the top here. Then right beside it in the settings icon, we're going to make some changes as well. In the metronome count in menu, we're going to want to make sure we turn that count in off. Then selecting the plus sign at the end of our timeline and selecting section A, we're going to turn on automatic. This will allow you to record your voice continuously without stopping. Then just simply hit the record button and start talking when you're ready. Welcome to my podcast about underwater basket weaving. Once you've laid down your track, you can then go through and start cutting out some of the unnecessary and the pauses and the noises. Here you can see you can move your track around simply by selecting the track and moving. You can also bring in the edges of the track from the beginning or the end to cut off any beginning pieces or ending pieces you don't want. You can also use the cue to place where you want to start making some changes or to splice a piece out. Once the cue is where you want it, tap on the cue and you get an option there to split. Pull down the scissors with your finger. Then by tapping the clip that you don't want, you can see that you can delete that right out. This is great when you want to do small sections. In the loops icon, I'm going to select some music I want to add for my intro. I like this one, so I'm going to select that and drag that into my tracks. From here, I can adjust where I want my track to begin and where I want my voice to begin. Welcome to my podcast about... I'm going to trim off the end of this so that it leads into my voice. You may want to fade out the music as well as it leads into your voice. You can do that by tapping on the instrument of the track you want to fade the music out, and make sure you turn the editing red button at the top left-hand corner on. From here, you can simply tap on the yellow line and add nodes in which you can move around to adjust the volume, to fade out, to fade in, or however you like. When your project's done, you can go to your project homepage and hold on the project. You get the secondary menu. You can change your title. You can also share to your teacher this file. When sharing, make sure you select the song export. And you can choose either high or medium quality of an export. Here you can choose to share directly to Google Classroom, or if you want, you can save it to your Apple Files and share later.